How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Um, I just received the package. Okay, so it comes with a set of instructions on how to install. Comes with its own holder. The ring light's supposed to. Wow, that is strong. I don't know how that's gonna improve. That's interesting. Okay. It comes with its own stand. Put it on your table. It seems like it does the job. I don't know how long it's. Oh, it comes with its very own. If you mount it like this, it falls onto your phone like that. Let me quickly. If you unscrew this, right? I want to see, and I'm gonna put this camera on. I have mounted the camera. There you go. And look,